Here's a side kick through. It's a super fun animal movement that starts in beast. You can add as much bounce and flair as you want to once you feel like you've got the basics nailed. Let's learn the basics. So we start in quadruped with the knees tucked up under us, about a palm width between the wrist and knee, toes tucked under, eyes of the elbows driving out forward over the pointer finger. Hollow body, so a little spread between the shoulder blades. Whack yourself in the belly, make sure you're ready, braced for that punch, that whack, and then float the knees. First step toward this movement is just swinging the knees side to side, pivoting on the balls of the feet. If you are not aware, your knees are going to kind of slide back as you pivot. So make an effort to keep your knees tucked under you and stay as tight as you can. The longer your body gets, the harder it's going to be to plant that heel, which is the next step. And then I like to start adding that line through the upper body, lifting the opposite hand, same side hand, and driving back through the elbow. Then we can add that sit to that hip that's on the closest to the ground, and just sit down and extend the knee as we drive that elbow out on the planted foot side. Next, you can decide when you feel comfortable and strong, as long as your shoulder's pressing away from the ear on the stabilizing side, to lift the hip and extend the leg across the ground, or to lift it up off the ground. So the hip and the leg are both off the ground, and now you are on 2 contact points. Woohoo! From there, decide where you want to take it, but spend plenty of time first just going through those basic movements and getting real comfortable with the action.